Okay, so everyone who has the Ares kit, well, at least some of them, think that they're like really good because of it, and like it's the most overpowered kit in the world. Now, if you have Ares kit and you don't have Spirit Catcher, that's sad. If you have Spirit Catcher and you don't have Ares like me, that's good. If you have them both, I guess that's fine. But Ares is useless. They are basically the exact same kit, but Ares is worse. And you have to spend more Robux to get it. You have to be tier 45 to get Spirit Catcher in Season 1, and tier 50 in Season 2 to get Ares. Now, I didn't get Ares in Season 2, I got level 40. I was so close, but it doesn't matter because the kit sucks. And I know you guys will think it's good, but I will show you in a second. And I got tier 45, and I got Spirit Catcher. So, I know I accidentally put on the Nick skin, but it's fine. I'm just gonna keep it, I guess. So I have my alt here, Pro Gaming Chair. Don't ask. This is a lollipop in its mouth. Oh. Yeah. So basically, let me compare what they do. So the Spirit Catcher, you have spirits. They, well, yeah, you'll see in a second. They deal 17 damage. Whoa. You can place a lot of them, and you can just you can technically just spam these, and then when you go to a player, look at all that damage. And spirits cost. Oh, I'm not using Spirit Catcher. I think they're like 35 iron, so I think you can spam like 6 of them. So, oh my god, so that's 2. Okay, you can just kind of spam these, and you see how overpowered those things are. And now, like, look at the knockback. I'm gonna show you the knockback. So, let me explain. You get a bunch of blocks. So, we will have my alt stand right here on this green block. Now, if I were to use a spirit and throw it at my alt, it will go about like right here, kind of. Let's test that again. If we were to throw a spirit like right here, follow my alt, it would go, yes, a 2-block gap. That is kind of OP. So you can definitely knock people off bridges with this kit, and it does 17 damage. Now the thing about the spears, though, they do a lot of damage. They do 65 damage, which is a lot of you guys would be like, oh my god, Ares is so much better then, but you'd be wrong. Spirit Catcher, you can throw the spirits just anywhere. So you can have like a whole defense of spirits, and there's another advantage we will talk about in a second yet. There is a max limit, but if someone were to come over here, look at the damage! That compared to weak 65. I'm just saying. Plus, these things cost like 20. I mean, I know they cost 35, but here's the other advantage of them. Since I gave my alt spirits as well, I'm going to show you guys this. A lot of you guys might actually not even know this, but there is a very OP thing you can do with spirits. And this is one of the many reasons why I'm saying that this kit is better than Ares. So I'm just going to place some spirits kind of a little over here. So yeah, see, my alt has placed some spirits. He has a spirit wall right here. Now, I'm going to make my alt go like this. Usually, let me just move my alt over here quickly to show you what happens. Yeah, when you hit him, usually he goes flying, and you deal 65 damage. Now, if he goes behind the shield, and I use my spear, it did nothing. The spirits can act as a shield, and yeah, it just does 0 damage. So technically, even if I were to spam on these spears, you see, they wouldn't do anything. And if I were to come right here, oh no, I would get spam attacked by this. So yeah, you saw both kits, and now it is time for the final result, the 1v1. Oh yeah, before we start, I kind of want to test something. No, trust me, this isn't cheating. I just want to see the damage quickly. Midnight Spirits. Oh my god. Okay, 18, 18, 18. Oh, I thought I'd do more. 18. Okay. Interesting. I'm sorry. I just want to make sure. Anyways, now it's time for Spirit Catcher versus the Ares kit. Spear. Okay. So yeah. You hit me, deal 65 damage. I spirit spam you. You take a lot of hits. He has 32 health left. I have 67 health left. I go over for the kill. Nope. You spirit me again. Or you spear me. Yeah, same thing. Then I spirit spam you, and oh, looks like someone died. I know this was not a fair 1v1, but I'm just saying this is most likely what's going to happen. Plus, also, do you want to see how easy these things are to dodge? Wait, let me just give give all spirit in. Okay, and then give all spear in. Okay. Now, if I were to build a bridge going this way, see right here, you have a little bridge. Yeah, if I wanted to make my way across that bridge, I'm going to show you how easy it is to dodge the spear. So I'm also going to build over here for my alt. I'm going to build a little place for my alt, yeah. And now I'm going to be standing on this bridge, and my alt's going to have to knock me off, which is going to seem easy enough. Oh my god, okay. My alt just got attacked by a spirit. So I'm going to have my alt run on over here. And watch what happens when... This is going to be so embarrassing for all of you Ares fans. But just watch this. You can just jump over it. Yeah, it's so funny. I'm gonna do it again. Watch. Okay, no. Well, okay. The point is, you can jump over it. You don't always, but it's so funny whenever you do. Like, I've seen so many Ares kits before, and like I've just been running. They throw a spear, I just jump over it. It's literally like so bad. I'm sorry for hating on this kit. I'm just saying, Spirit Catcher is better. I just wanted to make that clear. I have made myself clear. Ares loses, Spirit Catcher wins. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.